Hi everyone! I just wanted to come here quickly, say hello and wish everyone, especially every single woman, happy International Women's Day and happy 8th of March, 8 Martão. And just wanted to say, I wish everyone to have an amazing day today. I know I haven't done a video in a while, so I was like, this is an opportunity for me to come here and say hello. And I'm actually out because my electricity went out this morning, so I couldn't eat or do my work. So I actually came here to one of my favorite places to have lunch, and I'm excited now because this day worked out better than I planned. And I just wanted to tell you about my Mexican retreat. I know I had calls with so many of you already. If it's the first time you're hearing about this, let me tell you a little bit about it. I'm planning my first hands-on masterclass retreat in Mexico. And what that means is that we're gonna be meeting together, cooking together, having adventures together, relaxing, meditating, and it's a whole planned trip for 6 days with me, where I'll be spending all 6 days with you together as well. We are already 60% sold out, so if this is the first time you're hearing about this, it happens because of social media. Not everybody, hears. Oh, it's windy here. But we've got already an amazing group of people coming. And I would not want you to miss out on this opportunity. This is going to be a life-changing opportunity. I don't know if I'll ever do something like this again, because I am right here in the moment, in the present moment in Mexico, and I can do this retreat because I'll be here for the next 2 months. And who knows where I'll be in 6 months, or I'll probably be married, maybe I'll get some, live in another country. So it's definitely once in a lifetime opportunity to spend this quality time together. And I've done so many masterclasses in London and New York, and I keep getting bombarded with messages to do more masterclasses. However, because of the pandemic, I wasn't able to do that. So this is going to be my first retreat. I decided to combine the retreat together with the masterclasses so that if you do come here to Mexico, I've been here for 2 years. I want to plan everything so you have the best time ever, so you have your deserved vacation. We're literally gonna have so much fun, and it's a whole program that I've planned in Italy for 6 days. There's gonna be a lot of learning and baking, as well as lots of fun, private dinners. We've got a yacht booked to sail around the islands to see all this beautiful Caribbean ocean, turquoise water, and generally really to connect together. It's going to be a very small group, so I have decided to limit this group to 12 people only, because doing a masterclass with more people is going to be very challenging. So there's going to be a lot of one-to-one with me, and I will definitely ensure that your baking skills go to that next level. And this retreat is suitable for everybody, whether you are coming alone, on your own. There's no age restriction either, because for me, at the end of the day, it's all about the energy and how we're going to connect when we have a call, and how you're going to fit into the group, and whether that everyone's going to benefit this. Because at the end of the day, it's community, and it's going to be all of us bonding together, doing all the activities together, and having so much fun. And it's important for me that we have good vibes, good energy, and really help each other. Every time I went to these types of retreat myself, whether that was a mastermind or retreat, I always met a friend or two for life, because you connect with them on such a different level. So it's absolutely incredible. And 100%, if you've never done something like this, I would recommend, not only because I'm doing it. If you're not going to do it with me, you can do it somewhere else, and I definitely recommend you do it at least once in your lifetime. So, like I said, retreat is suitable for anyone if you're coming on your own. It's also suitable if you are in a relationship and you're a couple, because we do have some couples wanting to come as well. If you wanted to come with your husband or wife, this is an amazing retreat for you guys to bond together, to rekindle that relationship, because a lot of the times we get stuck in our routine. We're working. We're not actually spending any quality time together. So by going away and doing something like this, you're going to bond so much together. We're going to be baking, we're going to be having fun, we're going to do meditations, we're going to do sound healing. I've planned salsa dancing, I've planned cocktail making classes, Mexican cooking classes, taco tours. We're going to explore a lot of Mexico, but also we're going to bake and have fun. There's also arts therapy with cakes, which really helps you to wind down and relax if you've been stressed and overworked. A lot of us also work. We're running. We never stop. We never give ourselves some time to relax and just kind of breathe and, get some rest. So really, I invite you to come with me on this journey, to really slow down, I'll be spending all 6 days with you together, and I'm happy to share all my tips, all my knowledge, everything that I used personally myself to overcome any difficult situations, whether that was mentally, emotionally, or even physically, with health. And I want to help you as much as I can, so I want to invite you genuinely from my heart to come to this retreat, because I know you're going to love it. I know that this would be life-changing for you. So whatever position or category you're in, or if you just want to come with your best friend, even if you're not going through a difficult time and you simply just want to go on vacation and have fun, it's definitely for you. And now I do have calls with everybody who is interested in coming, purely because I want to talk to you for just 10 minutes to see if you will fit the retreat, if the retreat is for you as well. Like I said, I want to make sure that everybody that comes has good energy and vibes, so it's really important for me to talk to you. And of course you get to chat to me one-to-one, and I would love to meet you. I've been speaking to so many beautiful people this week, and it's just been an amazing experience for me myself. But now that we have pretty much half of the group ready, I just need to get another half people who want to have this life-changing experience. That's why I'm doing the calls. So if this sounds good, let me know. I'll leave the link down below. You just need to put your name and email, or you could book the call straight away. It's in my calendar. I've opened it up, and yeah, if you do decide to come, I look forward to talking to you. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this video, and happy 8th of March, and lots of love, guys. Bye.